Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech product. And in today's review I'm going to review the Valve Steam Deck, a handheld gaming device that takes the gaming world by storm. In this video we will dive into the Valve Steam Deck, exploring its key specs, features and everything you need to know about. So without further ado, let's get started now. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this device from Amazon at a discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First thing first, let's take a look at the Valve Steam Deck's key specification. It comes with 7-inch 1280 by 800 IPS LCD display which provides sharp visual and vibrant colors, perfect for gaming on the go. You can own this gaming powerhouse for just $436, making it an affordable choice for gamers. Now let's talk about what makes the Valve Steam Deck apart from other rivals. Its processing power. It comes with AMD APU that delivers up to 1.6 teraflops of graphic power, ensuring a smooth and immersive gaming experience. It comes with whopping 16 GB of RAM for multitasking and running resource intensive game in a breeze. Storage is crucial for gamers as it comes with 64 GB of onboard storage, which is decent for gaming game installations and operating system. Even better is that you can expand the storage via micro SD card, allowing you to carry your entire game library with you. One of the most crucial factors for the handheld gaming device is battery life. The Valve Steam Deck offers a battery life range between 2 to 8 hours depending on the game and usage. This flexibility means you can enjoy extended game sessions without constantly worrying about the recharging. Now let's talk about the design and build quality of the Valve Steam Deck. It features a sleek and ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hand during extended gaming sessions. The build quality is top notch with durable material, ensuring the device can withstand rigors of portable gaming. Gaming controls are crucial and this device has paid great attention to this aspect. It comes with a gamepad style layout complete with thumbstick, a D-pad and a plethora of buttons to provide a console-like gaming experience. Additionally, it features a responsive touchscreen which can handy for certain games and navigating the Steam interface. Let's not forget the heart and soul of the Valve Steam Deck, Steam OS and the vast game library. It runs on Steam OS, a customized Linux distribution by Valve optimized for gaming. With access to entire Steam game library, you can play your favorite title wherever you go. Here's my final thoughts. With its impressive specs, versatility and affordable price point, the Valve Steam Deck is a game changer in the world of handheld gaming. Whether you are a casual gamer looking for the portable fun or a hardcore gamer who want to take your favorite titles on the road, the Valve Steam Deck has something for everyone. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest update. Thanks for tuning in. See you. Bye bye.